What's up guys, I'm here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a really cool product to show you. Now this is a LED light strip for your TV, and this is from Govee, and this is not just any light strip. I know you guys are probably used to the ones where you have a remote where you can change the color, have it fade in and out, and different functions like that, but this one takes it a step further. So this actually does come with a camera. It does have a microphone built in, and this enables it to look at your TV screen and adjust the backlight according to what's being played. And that might not seem like a big deal, but what that does in essence is makes the content that you're watching that much crisper. In addition, it does have an audio mode which listens to whatever you're playing, changes the color, pulsates the lights, and just adds for a cool effect. Now the kit that we're looking at will work on your television no matter how old it is, how new it is, 55-inch all the way through 80-inch. It is Wi-Fi enabled, works with Alexa, and it gives you a lot of cool features. And within Alexa you can do a couple cool things: turn it on and off, adjust the brightness, and you're not restricted to being in front of the television set when you're doing so. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing. Of course we're going to test it out, but also very important, you want to calibrate this properly when you first set it up just to get the best overall experience. And also I will be giving one of these away to a lucky subscriber, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Thanks for choosing Govee. Let's see what we got. So key points for installation, guys: doesn't work on the following surfaces listed. So knitted wool fabrics, dust wall, frosted glass, rough plastic. It also tells you to clean the surface before application and how to properly remove the tape before installing the strip. On the reverse side, it just tells you to apply pressure to reinforce, make sure it sticks to the surface. It does come with some clips, so we'll be showing you this a little bit later. This is basically to reinforce the strip, that way it doesn't peel off over time. And the last picture at the bottom shows you what it should look like when the installation is completed. If you love their product, check them out on Twitter, Facebook, look like they're on Instagram, as well as YouTube. If you have issues, you can reach them at the following email, so that's good to know. It does have a user manual, basically 2 pages, tells you what's in the box. So this is the brains of the operation, guys. So most LED strips will plug directly into your TV, or you'll need a power brick to go ahead and power it. With this is the control center. So in the bottom you do have AV in, DC in, and LED. So obviously your LED strips will go here, your DC in will be your power. I believe this is another option to add audio, that way the lights can fluctuate with that, but that's something I'll have to go ahead and test. Nothing on the side. On the top, this is for your camera, so the camera will mount in here, and we'll show you how that installs in a little bit. You do have the 2-sided sticky tape on the back, and essentially this goes directly in the back of your television, guys. Here's the strip itself. USB to power it. Does come with a stretchable cable, and that's just to reach the control box depending where you go ahead and mount it. Do have the DC plug. These are the mounts that I spoke about a little bit earlier. So basically this will mount on your TV. It is a 2-sided sticky as well, and this part will come over the LED strip and kind of keep it in place. So optional in my opinion, but if you guys had bad experience with the surface of your TV, maybe you had a strip previously that came loose, this might be a good option to go ahead and install. It do give you an alcohol wipe to clean the surface before you go ahead and mount the LED lights. And last but not least, you do have the camera and the mount for the camera. So let's go ahead and peel off the protective coat. Of course this has the 2-sided tape again, so this will stick to the top of your television. Kind of peer over and look down at it. This goes in like so, like that. The USB runs through here. This sits on the top of your television like this, and like I said, it just kind of peers over, has the screen in the field of vision, and that's how it detects what lights and the intensity of the lights that's actually being displayed on your television. So here we are, got the app on my smartphone. It is the Govee Home app, I already added it. So let's go ahead and launch it. So LEDs are off right now, so all I need to do is go ahead and turn it on. So at the bottom you have a couple options. So you have products, you can see which product you have. You do have a savvy user, and this is basically steps that you can take just to go ahead and up your status, I guess. I do have my home, so that's the device right there. Service, so if you guys are having issues, you can go ahead and reach out to them. They do have their contact information. And last but not least, I do have profile. So let's go back home, and this is a screen that you'll see when you first launch the application. So of course the off button turns off, on button turns it on, and you can see that the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth icons up there to the top right. So to get into the settings of the actual app, click on it. So before you do anything, you want to calibrate this just to make sure you're getting the best performance. So to do that, you're going to go to your settings on the top right. You're going to go to calibration, and we'll just give it a second. And it basically gives you a picture of what you're looking at. So calibration is pretty simple, guys. You have 5 dots that you're going to line up. First, you're going to line up 2 bottom dots with the bottom of your TV. So we're just going to go to the edge, the corners, like so. The 2 dots on the outside top, you're going to go with the top corners of your TV, like so. And we're just going to move that one up. And last but not least, the last dot, you're going to line that up with your camera. So that should be dead center, guys. So pull all the way up like that. Going to hit submit. And there we go, all set. Calibration was pretty easy. So let's go back and let's go ahead and check out the different modes. So from here, you do have time switches that you can go ahead and set. So you can set specific times for it to come on and off. Pretty cool. You do have a brightness control. So you turn it all the way down. And we can go ahead and max it out. They do have a DIY mode, and this is where you can set up your whole scenes. You can set up how it fades, different colors, and you can set up the speed and stuff like that. So if you guys want to go ahead and customize what scenes or what colors or what scheme you have, you can go ahead and enter the DIY mode. And below that is the main modes that we're going to be talking about. So we have music mode, and with music mode, it basically goes with your voice. So check 1 2, check 1 2. Triple M here in the building. Check out my new LED lights. So if you guys are playing music, it will kind of pulsate. It's a nice party piece. If you're having a house party or something and you're playing music on your TV, this is pretty cool. So love that part about it. Now under music mode, you can see you do have energetic, so it's quick responsive. You do have rhythm, so it goes with the rhythm. Spectrum, check 1 2, check 1 2. Look at the sides. You can see it's kind of reacting mostly on the sides. It's going up and down. Pretty cool. Do have rolling 1 2 3, rolling 1 2 3. Pretty cool. And of course, you do have other adjustments that you can make. So with video mode, you can see that it kind of changes with the surrounding, and we'll just give it a second for it to change the screen. You can see the lights change. So on the top right is more yellowish, bottom right is purple, left is more blue, and it's just based on what colors are being shown on the screen. So this is the selling feature when you guys are in a movie, and it automatically changes according to the picture. You do have color mode, so if you guys want a specific color, click on blue, green, you have yellow there, orange, red, blue, and white. And you can go ahead and use the slider at the bottom to set it as well. Pretty awesome. Last but not least, you have scenes. So you have sunrise that will kind of mimic the sun. Sunset, you can see it changes with that. You do have a movie scene. Dating, so if you guys want to put some romantic stuff on. Flowers, also have blinking. You have candlelight. Snowflake, so that turns kind of white. But of course, my favorite mode is video and the music mode, guys. Love this part, love the music mode. Just check it out. Reacting to my voice, up and down, different colors, and it's very responsive. So as mentioned before, one lucky subscriber will be winning one of these LED strips. So in order to be eligible, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is checked. Second, on this video, hit the thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be picking a winner on Sunday, so good luck to everyone. So that's it for this video, guys. This is the Govee Dreamcolor. This is for the TV. Fits 55 all the way to 80 inch. And this is a very cool product. Very impressed with it. Now, we'll be putting links to Amazon where you can pick it up. If you guys have any questions about this, anything in this video, please drop them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to hit a thumbs up. Share this video if you think someone might like this product. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.